everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the Kent Grand RO Water Purifier, a powerhouse of purification featuring RO, UV LED, UF and TDS control. Not only does it promise clean, healthy water, but it also comes with 4 years of free service. Let's unpack this deal and see if it's as good as it sounds. Water quality is a major concern for many households. From harmful contaminants like bacteria and viruses to high TDS levels, untreated water can pose serious health risks. While boiling water helps to some extent, it doesn't remove dissolved impurities or heavy metals. This is where a high-quality water purifier like the Kent Grand steps in, offering multi-layered purification to ensure every drop is 100% safe. But does it live up to its claims? Let's find out. The Kent Grand isn't your average water purifier. Here's why. 1. Advanced purification. It combines RO, UV LED, UF, and TDS control to eliminate bacteria, viruses, and dissolved impurities while retaining essential minerals. 2. High storage and flow rate. With an 8L storage tank and 20 liters per hour flow rate, it's perfect for families of all sizes. 3. Durability and convenience. Its ISI certified build ensures safety, and features like a transparent tank make it easy to monitor water levels. What truly sets it apart is the ease of maintenance backed by its 4 years of free service. That means peace of mind for years. Now, let's talk about that incredible offer. 4 years of free service. This includes routine maintenance, replacement of essential parts, and complete peace of mind without extra costs. Plus, if you're looking to upgrade, Kent offers an additional RS1000 off on exchanges. With these benefits, it's hard to find a better deal for a premium water purifier. The Kent Grand RO Water Purifier checks all the boxes: advanced purification, great capacity, and an unbeatable service package. If you're looking for a reliable way to ensure your family's health,